ठीक है. मैं क्लास अब. Yes, sir.
Now today we can see what happened when differential equation is not exact.
Yes, sir.
It means it is not satisfying the condition of dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. In that case, how we are going to solve that problem? Today our main discussion is that only. Now look at this one question. So integrating factor definition is already given now. Sometimes the differential
Yes,
equation
sir.
is not exact. We can make it exact by multiplying with some constant. That constant is called integrating factor. So we shall start our
Mhm.
problems with the help of the name of the methods, different methods. So this is in our discussion, it is a method number 1.
Sir, you didn't send the PDF of the last class.
Okay, I'll send it to you. It's there with me.
Okay, sir.
Method 1. Method 1, what it says? See, if m times xy, or simply we say that mdx, otherwise you will get confused, mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 is homogeneous differential equation. Is, I will explain this is what is homogeneous also. Is homogeneous. This is actually the identification that if it is mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 means exact differential equation भी है और homogeneous है. Homogeneous differential
Oh,
equation and this is very important, mx plus ny. If you find out the value of mx plus ny, it should not be equal to 0. Mx plus ny should not be equal to 0. Then 1 by mx plus ny is integrating factor is and integrating, okay, we use this one also as a short form, integrating factor. Okay, now see, one question we will take it immediately.
okay, sir.
The question is solve. I don't want to say that it is not exact. We have to check it first of all. Okay, solve x square y dx minus x cube plus y cube dy. X cube plus y cube dy is equal to 0. This is our question. It is just given that it is solved. Now, if you start our regular work, what is our regular work? We have to compare with the mdx plus ndy. So now
Yes,
solution,
sir.
we should compare this one with the mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. Then we say that our m value will be, what is the value of m? Tell me that. X square y,
Uh, X square Y.
m
Yes,
value.
sir.
What is n value?
Minus X cube plus Y cube.
No, minus x cube minus y cube. That minus will go to both of the terms.
Yes, sir. I forgot to see the bracket. Okay.
This one we have to differentiate partially with respect to y. What is the
Yes,
answer?
sir.
X square only, no?
Yes, sir. X square.
And this one, if you differentiate partially with respect to x, your answer is what? Minus 3x square.
My Y. Yes.
It means that we have seen here that it is not satisfying the condition of exactness. Dou m by dou y
Yes.
should not be equal to dou n by dou x. So it means our equation number 1 is not exact.
Yes.
Therefore, one is not exact. But we do not end up our problems by simply writing that it is not exact. What we have to do, we have to multiply this one with an integrating factor and make it exact, and then we have to solve it.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes in our question paper, it is asking to find out the integrating factor only. So now, अब ये question arise होता, the integrating factor will be how it's a format. So different type of questions, different type of integrating factor. Now we are discussing the method one, how the integrating factor will be. To get the integrating factor, we need to check two conditions. Condition number one, it should be homogeneous differential equation, and mx plus ny should not be equal to 0. Homogeneous, how to identify? You can see x square, x power is 2, y power is 1. Together, power 3. X power 3, y power 3. Means m will be having the power should be 3, n will be having the power should be 3. If both of the powers of m and n must be equal, then we say that it is homogeneous differential equation.
Sir, can you repeat again?
X square and y power 1 here, na?
Yes, sir.
Together becomes 3.
3.
X and
Yes.
y powers together we have to add. Here x power 3, y power 3. Means in mdx also power 3 is there. In ndy also power 3 is there. It means the differential equation
We-
is exact. Sorry,
We
homogeneous.
won't add power 3 and power 3.
No, if they are like in multiplication, we can add it. If they are individually, it is no need to add the powers. Otherwise, there is one
Okay.
more way also there. This is the way. I'll show you f of x comma y value. If it is satisfying this condition, lambda x, ये unnecessary problem बड़ा हो जाता. So no problem.
Okay,
इसको
sir.
बहुत बड़ा करने का जरूरत नहीं है. So we have to just check the condition it is homogeneous. And now mx plus ny value we have to check. It should not be 0. Mx plus ny value is equal to, m is this one. This one we have to multiply with x. X into x square y. This is mx plus ny value. What is ny? Plus n into n is what? Minus x cube. Minus y
Yes,
cube
minus x cube minus y cube.
should be multiplying with y. Now if you check it,
Y.
you get what? X cube y minus x cube y and minus y to the power of 4. Correct?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it correct? Now these two are cancelled.
Yes.
Your answer will be minus y to the power of 4. We should say that it is not 0. Understand? Therefore,
Yes, sir.
integrating factor is equal to, what is the definition says? Then 1 by mx plus ny is an integrating factor. Means 1 by minus y to the power of 4 is our integrating factor. Now this integrating factor we have to multiply both sides. For this equation number 1, this non-exact differential equation will become exact. Look at that. I am doing that work. Minus y to
Okay,
the
sir.
power of 4. This one I want to multiply with x square y dx. Minus into minus plus 1 by y to the power of 4 into x cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube dy is equal to 0. So then if you simplify, look at this one y term, 1 power 3 cancel, it has becomes minus x square by y power 3. Is it correct?
Minus.
One y
Yes,
term is
sir.
cancelled. And
Yes,
here,
yes.
if you multiply these two, we get x cube by y
Sir, we
power
were taking
4.
that minus sign in beginning.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
And then y cube by y power 4, because this will go to this side also. Y cube by y power 4 becomes 1 by y.
Yes, sir.
This one, the new differential equation what we got is called it as second equation. Now let me give the names here. I want to give the names like this. m1 dx, I don't want to give m, same thing, m1 dx plus n1 dy is equals to 0, right? Then what about m1 becomes minus x square by
X square by Y cube.
y cube. This one we have to differentiate partially with respect to y. Okay, minus x square as it is, 1 by y cube differentiation. Do you know what is 1 by y cube differentiation, or do you know how to do it? Otherwise, let me do it this one detail in next page.
No, sir, I don't know.
So let us do it. Let us do it the partial differentiation with respect to y. In the next page, let me do it. Not here. Next page we take. So our m1 value is minus x square by y cube. Minus is also there, sorry. X square by y cube. This one we have to differentiate partially with respect to y. It means minus x square is a constant outside. Dou by dou y of
Yes, sir.
1 by y cube can be written as y to the power of minus 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus x square as it is. X power n formula. Derivative of x power n formula. N x
Minus
power
3.
n minus
Yeah.
1. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus into minus plus 3x square by y power minus 4 can be written as y power 4. Denominator में ला ले रहा हूँ. This is dou m1 by
Yes, sir.
dou y value. Similarly, we see what is n over. Our
Sir,
n1
this
is
is
this.
we do this when the question when Y is in denominator.
Yes.
Okay.
What is n1 here? X cube by y power 4
Y. So 4 plus 1 by Y.
plus 1 by y. This value also we have to differentiate partially with respect to x. So n1 value is equal to x cube by y power 4 plus 1 by y. So once if I am differentiating this one with respect to x, that is equal to x cube differentiation will be equal to 3x square, that you know already, divided by y power 4. And this one we don't have any x term, so 0. Look at the both of the answers are same. Therefore, dou m1 by
Yes, sir.
dou y. क्या था अपना डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एग्जैक्ट नहीं था, बट डिफरेंशियल
Yes,
इक्वेशन
sir.
नंबर 2 एग्जैक्ट बन गया after multiplying with integrating factor. Okay, so finally we should write the solution of this one.
Yes, sir.
Now the solution is what is the solution? Tell me. Integration of not m1 dx. Our m is
Yes,
not
M1
exact.
dx plus
Integration of
N1 dy.
n1 dy is equal to constant. But here y is a constant. But before that, let me write the value of m1 clearly. m1 value is minus x square by y cube minus x square by y cube dx plus, in this n1 we have to write the terms which are not containing x. Only 1 by y is the term which are not containing x.
Yeah.
1
Yes,
by
sir.
y dy is equal to constant. So integrating with respect to x, so treating y as a constant means minus and 1 by y cube together will go out. Integration of x square dx only left here, plus 1 by y integration is log y is equal to constant. One more step is required here, minus 1 by cube as it is. X
Yes,
square integration is x cube by 3
yes, sir.
plus log y is equal to constant is your final answer of this problem, which is already
Sir,
non-exact
sir,
differential.
in this
Yeah,
case, we don't need to multiply it with 3,
that's your
like the
choice.
log.
That's your
Okay,
choice. No need. Actually, no need. This
okay,
much is
sir.
enough. After integrating, you can stop your process. Already the problem itself
Okay,
is a
sir.
lengthy process. You can see, first of all, it is
Yeah,
basically it is not a differential equation. Exact differential equation nahi hai. We are multiplying with the
yes,
integrating
sir.
factor, and that too we have to memorize four different cases. How the differential equation will become exact if it is not exact. For that one, we have to
Yes,
learn four different methods. This is method one only. Method one
yes,
itself,
sir.
homogeneous and not satisfying the condition of mx plus ny not equal to 0. So let me go for one more question of this one. Are you ready for that?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Or, sir, we can go for method 2.
Okay, right. Right.
You
Right.
can give me for homework, sir. I will solve it.
No problem. No problem. We'll give you. I'll send the photos of these problems after finishing this
Okay,
class.
sir. Okay, sir.
Right. अच्छा आप ये बोलिए कॉलेज में आपको इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस कराए क्या? नहीं नहीं कराए.
Yes, sir.
कराए ना, हाँ.
We did this.
ऐसा तो नहीं है ना, टोटली न्यू है, अरे सर ये तो हमारे सिलेबस में था ही नहीं, आप क्या की करा दे रहे
No,
हैं,
no,
ऐसा तो
no.
नहीं ना. ओके.
नहीं, नहीं.
मेथड टू. That's what I'm requesting students to send the syllabus first of all. So if it is exactly matching, if I can do it, then only will be agreed to start. Otherwise, I'll say simply, no, I don't know about this like that. So
Yes, sir.
next, third method, second method, what it says, the differential equation of this form, y of fx comma y dx plus x times g of x comma y
X.
dy is equal to 0.
Sir,
And
like when will we know which method to use?
वही तो है important, that is most important. See, if it is homogeneous and mx plus ny
Yes, sir.
not 0, then method
Yes.
1. And method 2, what it says, from m value, we can, if it is possible to take y common, and from n value, if it is possible to take x common, and moreover, mx minus ny value is not 0. पूरे प्रॉब्लम प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद ही आपको आइडिया हो जाता है. Then
Okay, sir.
integrating factor is equals to 1 by mx minus ny. So let me solve one question. There you will see that we can also take y common from mdx, x common from ndy. Then yes, you can see our question number 1 also. Is it possible to take y common? Yes, it is take. But here can't take x
Yes.
common. So it means it
Yes,
is
sir.
unable to solve by method 2. एक क्वेश्चन मल्टीपल मेथड से भी सॉल्व हो जाता है. ठीक है ना, वो बाद में
Okay.
देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट पेज. So I want to take a question to give you the idea, brief idea about this method. Look at the question, solve. Solve. Y times, बट दुआ करिए कि आपको एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन के क्वेश्चन आ जाना सीधा सीधा, नहीं तो आप कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे यहाँ पर। एक्स स्क्वायर वाई
Yeah,
स्क्वायर
sir.
प्लस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ dx plus x times of 2 minus 2x square y square 2x square y square dy is equal to 0. mdx plus ndy form, and now already it is, you check it, y is there outside, x is there outside already. Before that, randomly, if this type of question will come in your exam, we must check our
Yes, sir.
condition, that is mdx plus ndy condition. If it is equal, then immediately we stop writing the solution and no need to worry about it. If it is not equal, then only we can worry about the problem. mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. Now if you notice, what is the value of m here? Can I write like this? X square y cube plus 2y. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Because it
Yes.
is convenient to differentiate with respect to y now.
Yes.
What is the answer? X square as it is, x y cube differentiation 3y square. So 3
Yes. 3x
x
square
square
y
y square
y square. Yes, sir.
plus 2 plus 2 also there,
Yes.
because with respect to y we are doing. Now look at this, 2x minus 2x cube y square. This one we have to differentiate partially with respect to x. So what is the answer here? 2 is there, minus 3 to the 6 x square y square. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
But now if you notice, it is not equal. Dou
Yes,
m
sir.
by dou y value is not equal to dou n by dou x. It means our given differential equation number 1 is not exact. 1 is not exact. So what we have to do? We have to check, immediately go for the method 1 and check it whether it is homogeneous or not. Homogeneous है क्या? X square y power 3
Yes, sir.
plus 2y. 2y power 1, yeah, not, it's not homogeneous. So immediately second method we are checking whether it is of the form y time f of xy dx plus x time gxy dy. Yes, it is in second method form. Immediately we have to check this condition. Mx minus ny value is equals to, m should be multiplying with x. So let me do it directly. X cube y cube plus 2xy. Correct? Keeping minus sign. This one we have to multiply with y directly. Am I correct here? 2xy.
So how
Directly
did
we
we
have.
get minus 2x plus 2xy?
Okay, let me do it in detail. X should be multiplying with m. Our m value is
Okay.
x square y cube plus 2y minus y should be multiplying with n term, that is 2x
Okay. Okay.
minus 2x cube y square. Definitely verification is also there in our problems, because after doing this one, if you check it, that non-exact will become exact.
Yes,
X
sir.
cube y cube plus 2xy minus 2xy minus into minus plus 2x
Yes, sir.
cube y cube. These two terms are obviously cancelled. 2x cube y square. No, sorry, it is not y square. It is also y cube.
No, y cube, yes, sir.
It is also y cube. So then it is cancelled. X cube y cube plus 2x cube y cube together becomes 3.
3x cube y cube.
Yes, 3x cube y cube is the value of mx minus ny. Then immediately we decide, therefore, our integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. So 1 by mx minus ny value is 3x cube y cube. This value we have to multiply equation number 1 on both sides. Okay, then check the condition again. Right
Yes,
now,
sir.
if that it is satisfying means we can write the solution. Means whatever we are doing, that is absolutely correct. You will also get the confidence that whatever you are doing, that is absolutely correct. 3x cube y
Yes, sir.
cube is I'm multiplying with equation number 1 directly. Y times x square y square plus 2 dx plus 1 over 3x cube y cube into x into 2 minus 2x square y square of dy is equal to 0. So here you see the multiplication. One y term. Okay, let me do it in detail. Numerator becomes x square y cube. Okay, this value will be dividing individually with this one, 3x cube y cube. Similarly, 2 also dividing with individually, that is 3x cube y cube. Open the fan. This is dx plus. Same thing here. If you don't understand, you should tell me. Please do not compromise.
Yes, sir.
3x
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
cube y cube minus 2x square y square divided by 3x cube y cube.
Y cube.
Along with this, all we have dy. And then, of course, it is equal to 0. Look at, tell me how many terms are cancelled. Here, one y cube cancel, one square, one x
Yes,
will be
y cube.
cancelled. Here, what is left off? 1 by 3x left off. Correct?
Yes.
This term, nothing will be cancelled, so as it is.
Okay, so 1 by.
Nothing will be cancelled here. This is dx, of
Yes, sir.
course, plus 1x,
So here 1x.
1 square cancel.
Cancel.
That's it.
Yes.
2 by
Yes, sir.
3x square y
Yes, sir.
minus 1 square,
Yeah.
1 term cancel, square, 1 term
Yes.
cancel.
1 term cancel.
2 by 3xy. Correct?
Yes, sir.
2 by
Yes.
3xy left off into dy is equal to 0. And this one we have to compare with our m1 dx plus n1 dy is equal to 0. So m1 becomes, what is m1? Tell me. 1 by 3x
3x plus
plus
2 by 3x
2
cube
by
y cube.
3x cube y cube. This one we have to differentiate later on. We'll be doing. And 1 is equal to 2 by
2 by
3
3x square y cube
x square y cube minus 2 by
minus 3xy.
3xy. Now let me check the condition of exactness. So m1 by dou y. Partially differentiating this value with respect to y. First term में y नहीं है, so 0.
Yes.
Next will be 2 by 3x cube is a constant term.
9x. Yeah.
Dou by dou y of y to the power of minus 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
2 by 3x cube is a constant. 2 by 3x cube as
Sir,
it
why
is
did we
again.
take 2 by 3x? Sir, why did we say 2 by
Because
3x
we are
cube
doing
constant?
partially differentiation with respect to y. We have already did here also. Look at this one. Here also we did the same thing. Because we are doing with respect to y, x is a constant.
Yeah, so sir, if x is the constant, then why did we not take 1 by 3x?
2 is also there. Now 2 by 3. This total term is a constant here.
No,
This
no, so
total
the
term.
first step, why did we make it 0?
Because no y term.
Okay.
No y term means
Okay, okay.
derivative of constant will become 0.
Okay, sir, yeah.
Now nx power n minus 1 formula. N x power n minus 1. Correct? 3 and 3 cancel it. What is left of? Minus 2 by x cube. Y power minus 4 can be written as y power. It is the value of dou m1 by dou y. Similarly, we should go for dou n1 by dou x. Derivative and integration should be very much perfect. Now look at, with respect to x, we have to do. What are the constant terms? Tell me. 2 by 3 y cube is a constant term because we are differentiating this one with respect to x. So dou by dou x of 1 by x square you may get it.
Yes, sir.
Or minus 2 by 3y is a constant. Dou by dou x of 1
1
by
by
x we
x.
have. So this is equal to 2 by 3y cube. Direct formula, dou by dou x of 1 by x is minus 2 by x cube. Derivative of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. If you want, I'll
Yes,
go
sir.
for the brief also. Minus 2 by 3 by as it is. 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. If you simplify, what we will get it? Minus 2 to the 4 by 3 x cube y cube.
Yes, sir.
I think somewhere we did something wrong. Otherwise, a problem becomes unnecessary lengthy. Plus 2 by, let me check it. Where is the mistake? Somewhere we have done some mistake because not getting the equal condition. 3 x cube y cube. After that, minus 2 x square y square. So it is 2x square y square. X also there. To multiply 2x cube y cube. And here if we simplify,
Over here, sir, it will be 2x cube, right?
which one? This one?
We are multiplying x into the bracket, so it will be 2x cube, right?
This one?
Yeah, after that.
Yes. 2x cube. Yes, you are correct. It is 2x cube only. X cube means x term should not be there. X
Yes,
cube, x
sir.
cube
X
cancel.
will
You are
not be
correct.
there.
Yeah, it is x cube. X cube cancel. So x not be there.
Yes, sir.
Unnecessary. Thank you. Maybe our time will be wasted for this one. So this is x cube. We assume this is cancelled. So no x term here and no x term here.
Yes, sir.
So then derivative of constant will become 0. So 2 by y cube, 3 y cube, and derivative of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. Again, square here. 2 by x square y cube. So constant becomes 0 by x square. और कहीं तो मिस्टेक है तो चेक करेंगे माइनस getting here 4 3 and 3 cancel and it's 4 and it's 2 by x cube y को इसको करेंगे इसका मतलब कि दो कैंसिल इसको 2x तो 2y 3y cube outside 1 by x square derivative of x square is 2 by x cube 2 by 3y cube derivative of minus 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. Again, y I have to do for I don't understand. फिर कहाँ पर मिस्टेक हुआ 2 by 3 x square
Oh, sir, we didn't multiply y in 2y.
where
This oh, y.
here
No, beside that, left.
here
We didn't multiply y into 2.
2y yes 2y 2y means here also 2y will get it 2y means term cancel होता है and square cancel this is 2 by 3 x cube y square right 2 by 3 x cube y square remember that ना clear ना
Yes, sir.
so 2y here also we multiply so y is there so 1y 1y 1 square term cancel so m1 value becomes m1 dou m1 by dou y we do it directly that's correct you are correct 2 by 3x cube is a constant dou by dou y of 1 by y square yes so this is 2 by 3x cube 1 by y square differentiation is minus 2 by y cube so the answer will be minus 4 by 3x cube by cube
Yes, sir.
okay chalo nice dou n1 by dou x is equals to same thing we have to do for this term यहाँ पे से पहला टर्म 0 हो रहा है या फिर लास्ट टर्म 0 हो रहा है ओके वी आर
Yes, sir.
क्या गलती करे थे कैंसिल हो जाए
एक मिनट.
x term नहीं है so now what 2 by 3y cube is outside dou by dou x of 1 by x square so this is
Yes, sir.
2 by 3y cube this is minus 2 by x cube so then if you see both of them are same right both of them are same means
Yes, sir.
अभी तक का process अपना correct है so it's satisfying
Yes.
dou m1 by dou y
Ex
is equals to
exact.
dou n1 by dou x so therefore equation number 2 is exact
Yes.
therefore 2 is exact सॉरी ये मीटिंग यहाँ पर खत्म हो गई है मैं आपको इसका सोल्यूशन कंटिन्यू करता हूँ कल की क्लास में अदरवाइज ये पूरा रिकॉर्डिंग
Okay,
भी चल
sir.
जाती पीडीएफ भी चले जाता कुछ भी नहीं
Okay, okay, sir.